an individual is able to influence the group if you're doing the right thing, if you're thinking the right thing, if you're behaving the right thing. You have to be logical, you have to have the confidence. Is only when all the other 14 OLQs justify the end. That means what path do you take? Hello my dear aspirants. By now you would have understood that I will be talking on the fourth of the OLQs in the factor 3, which is the social effectiveness factor, and this is the overall OLQ of 11th OLQ, which is the final OLQ which will be decided on any personality, and it is called as the ability to influence a group. AIG, ability to influence a group. As the name itself suggests, here we see how an individual is able to influence the group with his views, with his ideas, with his actions, with his effort, with his practicality, with his empathy, whatever it takes. So this OLQ encompasses all the other 14 OLQs inside it. So you will be able to influence a person only when you have all the other OLQs. Therefore, this is the OLQ which primarily deals with lead by example. If you are doing the right thing, if you are thinking the right thing, if you are behaving the right thing, if you are reacting the right thing, you will be able to influence the next person. So you have to be correct, you have to be logical, you have to have the confidence, you have to be sure, you have to put in your effort, you have to be courageous, you have to show the empathy towards others, you have to take people along. So all these aspects would be an important ingredient towards this ability. See, many people are able to influence, but we see here without any emotional aspect, by logic, by reasoning, by rational thinking, by taking people along, by giving them the way forward, if required handhold them. And this is the most important thing in a leadership. And this would be the final OLQ that would be cleared in any individual and make him the top leader that we are looking at. And this is only when all the other 14 OLQs are in abundant quantity in you. And that is why this is one of the important OLQs that is covered in this social effectiveness, which is in short about leadership. So my suggestion would be there to in case you want to inculcate these leadership qualities in you, you have to have good time management. You have to have good stress management. You have to have good people's management. You have to have good communication skills. You have to have clarity of thought. You have to be focused. You should be ready to work long hours. You have to work right till the end, till the time the job is not completed, putting the goal of the group ahead of your own personal goal. Say for example, Vikram Batra, everybody knows. He would have this ability to influence to the highest level, where he was able to get his men to go and conquer a near impossible hill during the time of need. So this would be the OLQ which would be rated as a top in such a kind of a situation. It is that important. So we see here what all can you do to be able to do the right thing, not wrong thing. See here conditions apply. Whether you are able to do the right things the right way. So here the means justify the end. That means what path do you take? The right path. And then you influence people. That is the thing which we are looking at out here. Pay importance to it. So when and try to improve the other OLQs. Once you improve the other OLQs and your attitude changes, you are not thinking about self-centered attitude, and then you come up with this OLQ would be the required OLQ that we will be happy to get you into the armed forces. I hope you have understood the importance of this OLQ. Therefore, we will end this video here, and we will go and hope to see you in the next video, which will again cover the important aspect of the last of the important ingredients in the factor 3. Thank you very much.